So Mommy Makeover is a term that now has been around for over a decade. It's a term that was coined to encompass the operations that are used in mothers to restore aspects of their body to a time that was before pregnancy. In essence, these are breast procedures and tummy procedures that either lift or enhance the breast itself, which has been changed after a mother has breastfed sometimes numerous children, or to contour or reshape the abdomen that has been changed after bearing children. Many women are very satisfied with their overall motherhood and even their bodies, but there's no question that motherhood changes a woman's body forever. And sometimes these changes can simply make wearing clothing or bathing suits difficult. And so a mommy makeover is a way to kind of turn back the clock and reshape a woman's body after pregnancy. When we do a mommy makeover or procedures that include both breast procedures and tummy procedures, they can either be performed together. Sometimes breast and tummy procedures like tummy tuck or liposuction can be performed at the same time. Many times we'll separate them or sequence them depending on how many procedures are necessary for a given patient. Many patients will be able to have their procedures performed at the same time in one surgical setting. For other patients, depending on the extent of these procedures, how long the procedures are anticipated to take, and the patient's general life situation, each patient's procedures will be individualized so that the procedures can be accommodated into their lifestyle. It's important to understand that breast and tummy procedures or a mommy makeover is a procedure that takes mothers out of their role of motherhood for some time. So it's important to understand that the initial recovery for, say, a tummy tuck is at least 2 weeks of kind of limited activities, time where you're going to need help around the house from either another family member or a friend with some of the normal daily activities. Some of the breast procedures have a little bit more limited downtime, maybe a week to 2 weeks on breast augmentation or breast augmentation with a lift. When these procedures are combined together at the same time, sometimes the recovery is a little bit longer. In general, the recovery is 1 to 2 weeks of initial downtime, limited activities, help around the house, with gradual increases in activities, but full return to strenuous activities probably won't occur until close to 6 weeks. Now, every mother asks, does this mean that I can't lift my children or care for my children during that 6-week period? And the answer to that is, of course, no. But we're going to have to be judicious or careful about those activities during the recovery. When you come for a consultation, we will be walking you through what can be performed at each week of the recovery period. And then you'll be seeing us weekly so we can kind of reintroduce those new activities as each week of recovery advances.